Welcome back to another edition of Ask the Organizer, where this month we are focused on the bathroom. And this is a continuation of last episode's question where we were wondering what kind of products or organizing products are good to use in the bathroom. And I wanted to show you another one that I actually showed before, but I'm using it in a different way. It's under the sink. And I showed you my husband's side where it was drawers, because we don't have any drawers in this bathroom except for one silly drawer. And anyway, on my side I have the same drawer system, but it holds my extra makeup, it holds my nail polish, it holds old medicines that I don't quite want to throw away. Let's take a look. And here we are. Now, I am an organizer, but I am also human, so things are not going to be 100% perfect. And that is how it is. But if I wanted to make a video, I just needed to make a video. So first off, let me show you. Here's the drawers I was talking about. Now I have this in front of here. This has been my system forever and a decade. But I'm going to talk about that little box in just a second. But in here, forever, I have put like medications for prescriptions that I had that I just I'm not taking them now. But like if I ever had anxiety again, I've got something for anxiety, or serious pain, there's some things for serious pain. But in this one is my nail polish. I used to have a lot of nail polish, but I decided I don't want a lot of nail polish anymore, so I got rid of a lot. But I also have my essential oils are in here, and then also I have these. This is actually made out of a soap box, but these are little clips. I know I have short hair, but sometimes I actually use these when my bangs are getting long. But I know that everything I want is right here, and I don't want it on my counter, and I don't want it. I have one drawer, and I'll show you that too in another episode. I have one drawer, and I can't put all this stuff in the drawer, so yeah, I have this down here. Obviously, this is my extra makeup, which I have some if I'm gonna get crazy, but you know, for the most part, that's all I use. These are my travel bags that I take when I go places. Whoops, put this back in here. Okay, and then this box is like Band-Aids. It's mostly Band-Aids, and then my allergy medicine, and then actually I do have razors, because every now and then you need to shave something and now you're not in the shower. So, and I think I actually am missing a couple of things, otherwise I'm not taking as much stuff. But anyway, it's just a shoebox. I haven't found anything that exists out in the world that is this size, and I mean by out in the world like that's, you know, plastic or really made for this stuff. This is just the right size, right shape. It's perfect for me, so I just leave it. And it's also really easy to move out. So keep on the lookout for something like that to help you. This system works for me. And anyway, that's a suggestion for you. And that is where I put my extra makeup. And that's it for this edition of Ask the Organizer. If you have a suggestion or you have a question, send it to me at hello@katiehomeorganizer.com, and we will answer it and use that up on an upcoming edition of Ask the Organizer. I hope that helps you, and have a super sparkly day.